Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Today we have another very special unboxing. This is of course the Marty Back certified GOAT of the year. We're gonna take a look at it, we're gonna unbox it. I've got my trusty unboxing knife. Oh, that part's already been unboxed for me. That's nice. All right, we got a box in a box. Looks like that box has already been opened, which is cool, you know, we're probably checking stuff. Foam, we got the foam. First thing we got are these pre-cut out, that's nice. Pre-cut out sides of Velcro. That's nice, cool. Yeah, I was gonna say, if they make us do that again. We've got a charger. Of course, it is the 7.5 amps. Oh no, sorry. It's 151 at 5 amps. Okay. We got our checklist. Wow, man, that is, look, hey, that is just, that's different from any other wheel out there. That's really cool. Look at that. There's like shiny barcodes on there. Shiny barcodes. All right, we got another piece of foam.
And we got the Sherman
L, the best name ever.
Ooh, Beidou pads. Nice. Beidou. Begode. We got another Beidou pad. Here it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, they're so new when they're new, aren't they? Jesus. It's painful. I ought to just like scratch it up right now. Just take a nail file or something to it. Wow. Look at the quality on this thing. Jeez, look at the quality on this thing. Well, cool. Here, let me bring you guys a little bit closer here. So, this is of course the proven formula from the Lynx. 36 MOSFET driver board, theoretical maximum of 840 amps, 3200 watt motor with a theoretical maximum of 8 kilowatts, 4 kilowatts of battery, 50 S cells, just a masterpiece. You know, this is a long ways from where we started. A very, very long ways. Okay, well, let's go ahead and let's run the time lapse of me putting the Beidou on the Leaperkim. Okay, so this is first launch, first ride. I had to wait till it cooled down. It was super hot. All right, what do we got here? Whoa, feels very nimble. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy today, but wow, feels very nimble. And feels tilted back a little bit. I don't know why. Okay, let's turn on this. Hey, there we go. All right. Cool. So let's go check this thing out. Okay. Well, so feels nice. New tire, gotta be careful on a new tire. So, you know, this wheel is kind of pushing some of the boundaries of what we consider is expected and safe. That is really kind of one of the main selling points for me, is just the fact that this is probably the safest EUC ever made. The fact that it has that no hall sensor backup, I mean, that's just insane. And so being able to have that go out and still be able to get home, that's huge. The second thing is it's got this like anti-overload detection. So if it's like standing still and against a wall and you put torque into the wall, it's not gonna fry the motherboard. So there's quite a few things that I really like about this. It's sort of the master of none, but the jack of all trades. And so far it's feeling really good. Oh, wow, it soaks up those bumps so nicely. Man, oh, this thing is a machine. Oh my God. Wow. It feels so light. Kind of incredible, the package here. Classic veteran firmware that just kind of sings, you know? It just sings. Wow. I could see myself getting used to this wheel really quickly. Feels like there's not a ton of learn happening here, which just means that it's well balanced and maneuvers, and getting used to the tire. It's a 262. But yeah, pretty comfy. You know, my calves aren't rubbing against anything crazy. The pedals are decent. The suspension is just next level. I got the 66 pound, so we'll see how that all works. Wow, it really dips when it dips. Whoo! You can really throw this thing over. There's not much sort of gyro on this tire. It kind of wants to fall over, which is fine. Yeah, so today was a real hot day. We broke a record, an 80-year-old record was broken here in Portland. It was 100 degrees, and it was also incredibly smoky. So, you know, that smoke heat just hits differently a little bit. It's the Thursday night ride. Yeah, that's dope. It's Thursday night ride. Yeah, I mean, this thing is just awesome. Let's give it a little juice here. Oh, man. Wow. Wow. It's so far, you know? We are now on these spaceships. Coming from when I started this channel in 2020, you know, the 16X, and before that, since 2017, the one wheel, and you know, I was this die-hard one wheel addict, and now I've gone through all the EUCs, and to see them all kind of go through the evolution, and now we're all riding these spaceships, and it's just like incredible. This is a step change. This is when like a new creek forms or something like that, a new river. I don't know. Yeah, this feels just about damn near as perfect of a formula as you can get. You know, we've really kind of narrowed it down to these 20-inch powerful, long-range EUCs, and they're getting lighter and lighter, and this thing, it doesn't even feel heavier than like the original Sherman, Actually, the original Sherman kind of feels like a toy now, but something amazing is happening here. Yeah, I mean, this thing is gonna slap. This is a very, very nice wheel. All right, there's a swim party. Thursday night ride and a swim party. That's pretty cool. I might stop and enjoy the view for a second here. Man, what a wheel, I know it takes like 200 miles to really feel something, but my goodness gracious. All right, let's do a little time lapse. So, I just wanted to wrap up this video with some concluding thoughts about my initial impressions. And so, yeah, that's what we're gonna do as we absolutely smash it down a squiggly road, down from the pittocks of mansions. Somehow we got behind this little train. I don't know how that happened. But hey, it allows us to appreciate the beautiful forest. Anyway, I've had about 50 miles or so since I saw you last on this wheel, and I think it is just a smashing banger. So anyway, yay! Okay. Anyway, I really like it. I like this wheel. Still getting used to like cornering a bit, and still getting used to, feeling confident enough to do stupid shit. Yeah, such a fun time. I'm always just like so timid when I get like on a new wheel. Ooh, shpew. All right, it's a nice little warm up. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's interesting because it is both nimble and stable, like at the same time, and so it's gonna take a while for me to I don't know, I really do feel like most wheels take about 200 miles for you to really truly understand all of their little quirks and features. But I hope you have enjoyed your time experiencing the L with me, unboxing it, truly being enamored by the level of vehicle that we are now at here. It's just incredible. And you know, specs are one thing. Like specs on paper are one thing, and this wheel is something else. Ooh, got hit in the face with like a leaf or something. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. See, I still get these little wobbles in the turns. I went with the 262. I went with the knobby, and I'm slightly regretting it, but hey, in like 2 months, Portland is gonna be a sludge fest. I don't know. Sometimes we go off-road, and so I chose the knobby. Man, this thing really is, I think really would benefit from a tire with more gyro. I'm sure that's what the TNT sort of street tire offers. Also, I'm noticing that the firmware kind of wants to turn left different than it wants to turn right. So I think I need to do a calibration. It really wants to lean left. Like really, really bad. It's like so easy for me to just throw it into the left, and then it's like really hard for me to get it over the right. So I'm pretty sure that's calibration because of the compass, and I don't know. You know what's weird? Okay, when they calibrate these things in like Shenzhen or wherever it is on the opposite side of the world, when they travel on a boat to this side of the world, does that mean that the calibration kind of trips up or something? I don't know. I feel like I'm complaining here.
My new wheel, it turns left more.
But yeah, masterpiece. I'm gonna calibrate it after this video here. I think you already know who you are if you're looking to buy it. And man, it's just so much wheel in such a tight package. Authorized vehicles only. Well, everyone, I think I'm gonna calibrate this thing over by these benches. And I hope you enjoyed the video. It's been a fun time. Of course, I'm gonna do the usual sort of 1,000 mile review. But yeah, let's give it a cal. Let's give it a cal. Because, man, I was really yanking over to the right. I don't know if that comes out in the video, but kind of spooked me. It spooked me! Alrighty, y'all. Have a wonderful day. Cheers. See you soon.